Hi, welcome to my garden. Looking at the long-term forecast, I think it's time to go ahead and pick some peppers and prune these up and get ready to repot them to bring them in. Now you can always trim your peppers, it's kind of like tomatoes, so I'm not going to be hurting them at all. And when it gets towards the end of the week, I can come out here, dig these up and put them in containers. It's going to be a little easier. You can take it down, you don't have to leave any leaves on it because they will fall off. Just at these Ys. Oh, and that hurt. And that hurt me more than it hurt you. Okay, you pull the mulch back till you get around the base. You come out a little ways. You just dig straight on down. Cutting the roots will not hurt the plant. We're going to trim the roots back anyhow. Wow. Look at how nice those roots are. Okay, go ahead and break some of the soil off of it. And I think we can get all of these roots in the bucket, so I'm not going to trim them back too much. I'm just going to fold those back underneath here. Then I'm going to take some of its own soil. That way, any of the microbial life that's associated with this pepper will stay with this pepper. Just kind of snug that in, and we'll give that a drink of water. And that's all you have to do to overwinter a pepper. Let me get these peppers off now. And what our goal is, by pruning these up, is to take it down in just a few Ys. What we're looking for is where it splits, where we got the Ys, and then we can bring them in the greenhouse and they're going to be just fine. Now we've got a couple serranos right here, and this is going to seem kind of brutal. You can leave a few, you can take it down quite a bit if you want, but they'll do really well this way. And it doesn't matter if your peppers are still green, we can pickle these up. These are going to be nice. Look who decided to come see if I was doing it right. He said it's too warm to be getting ready for winter, but we looked at the forecast and we know that the cold is coming. Everybody in the northern states, you got a good shot of having a nice layer of snow before Halloween. Well, that cleaned these up pretty good going around the edges. I guess it's time to get into the reaper. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this down to just a couple Ys. That's what we had last year, and we got a pretty good little harvest coming off of this one, it looks like. Let's look at those. Those are gorgeous. Well, I've cleaned it up down to the Sweet Mad Hatters, and that's what one's supposed to look like when it's completely ripe. And we've got several that are coming on. It's going to be a few days before we really have to fight the cold. I'm just preparing these other ones. There's still a lot of fruit on here that can get ripe, and since this is a sweet pepper, the longer we leave it on there, the sweeter it gets, and it's my favorite, so I'm going to wait till the last minute to prune this one back. We still have some more peppers to pick. Not a bad haul of reapers. All the green ones, we're going to go ahead and blend down, boil down, and make bug spray out of. They work really well. But Riley needed to get out. He's now past the time we're able to take him on little short walks. Pretty quick, he's going to be directing me on how to put mulch down. If you want to learn a little bit more about mulch, click that link right there and we'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about living soil, click that link right there and we'll meet you back in the garden. Huh, Riley? And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.